What to do if there is ice on the inside walls of your refrigerator? Let's try to understand the reason why ice forms on the inside walls of our refrigerator. In particular, let's look at the example for static or ventilated refrigerators. The very first thing to check is the integrity of the gasket. You need to check that it is intact along its entire perimeter, that it is not dirty, and above all that it is not torn or that it has come loose from the inside of the door. You also need to check, with the door closed, that it adheres well along its entire perimeter and therefore does not let air pass inside. If the gasket lets air pass, is torn or no longer adheres well, inevitably sheets of ice will form inside the refrigerator. It is also very important to clean the internal drainage channel,